Welcome to the new UI widget tutorials. This tutorial is about how to add borders to the table cells. The principle is simple. Add a background image and use layout group spacing to make it look like a border. As a demonstration, I created an image with a layout group and added a few buttons to show borders. Now I apply this to the table. To simplify the process, I removed all SimTargets components. First, add an image to the ListGame object. Set spacing to 0,1 for the internal horizontal borders. Set the margin to 1,1 for the outer borders. Now default item. Change the image color to transparent. Change horizontal layout group spacing to the 1 for the internal vertical borders. Set images of each cell as cells backgrounds. And clear backgrounds list. Now we have a table with a 1 pixel border. All that is left is a header. Change the image color. Change horizontal layout group padding and spacing to 1. Change the cell's image color to the background color. Add rounded corners X4 to the first and last cell if you're using rounded corner for the table. The double border between the header and items can be fixed by reducing the top value of the viewport transform. Now borders are completed. That's all. Thanks for watching.